Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how you can delete a YouTube playlist. Alright, so to do that just log into your YouTube account. After that just go to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down to your YouTube studio and go to the left sidebar and click on playlists. Alright, so here you have your channel playlist. So you can just go and try to find it right here, or you can click on filter and search for your playlist. So let's say I want to have this one, test. Just search for it. So I'm just gonna search for test, hit enter, like that. So now we have this playlist. So to delete your playlist, we're gonna click on this edit icon. Click on the icon. Alright, so this will open up this playlist. All we have to do now is just click on these three dots. Go down to this one, delete playlist. Click on that. So, delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? So note, deleting playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Alright, and also the videos in your playlist will not be deleted. So that's a good thing to know. So if you want to delete your playlist, just click on delete, like that. You can also, if you go to your channel and click on playlist right here, we see that my playlist test is gone. And if you want to go and delete one right here, you can just locate your playlist and click on this one, view full playlist. And this will also take you to this edit page for your playlist on YouTube. And you can do the same thing, just click on the three dots, click on delete playlist and confirm. So that's a shortcut from your channel. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video was helpful. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe right here. And you can also go and check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.